Okay, y'all, so let's make my French toast. Disclaimer, I had to use some dinner rolls because chef did not have no bread, but let's move on. So these are my ingredients. I usually start with 3 eggs, some milk, splash of heavy cream, hella white sugar, probably about a 1/4 cup brown sugar. That's some vanilla that I really, really love, ground cloves. I like to use a little ginger in mine. My godmom taught me that. Hella cinnamon. Now let's add a little flour so that the bread would crisp up. We're gonna whisk that together. I couldn't find my whisk, so I had to use a fork, but just bear with me, y'all. Turn the fire on the griddle. I like to super duper butter it up. Okay, this is the ghetto part. I had to cut these rolls open and make do. Ooh, not me editing the video. Anyway, so you just dip it in there in the batter and then put it on top of the griddle. That's definitely me in the background talking shit to Yvonne and Mal because who knows what the fuck they was talking about. But yeah, that you could literally do this with any type of bread, and then maybe after like 2-3 minutes you just flip it over till it's like, and you want it to look golden brown. Again, that's me just running my mouth. And then once I flip it, I like to add extra butter to it, so they extra buttery. Duh. So I cut up some berries. This is me plating super fast. Yes, that shit was hot. Oh my god. And I'm talking shit about it being hot. And